We are now at Osama bin Laden's house. Look at all the houses around him.
All right.
Hopefully no one gets hurt from our side.
All right, let's go. Duck. Okay, it's clear.
It's clear.
Run.
Hey,
run.
we're on our way. I see one.
He saw. Did you get him? No. Alright, he's dead. Alright, get on there. Go. Oh yes, you got him.
The most wanted man alive is now about to die. He's dead. USA! Yeah!